had done, we had the basic ICT skills. The topics which we had covered is how will you create a document in MS Word, how will you save a document, how will you do editing, means how will you enter any text in between the paragraph, in between any word, or how will you delete a word or a line, word wrap and alignment, different types of alignments we had done, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify alignment. How will you change the size of the font, type of the font, and style of the font by using the home tab? And how will you insert header and footer? And how will you insert bullets and numbering? And how will you create and draw tables in your Word document? So today what we are going to discuss is how will you apply the password protection? Means in your file, if you want to save your files so that no other one can open your file or do any changes, so you can apply a password to your file. Next we will do printing a document. How will you take the printout of your document, of your file? Then next we will do how to find and replace, means if you want to replace anything, any word or a sentence in your document, in the whole document. Suppose your document is of 100 pages and it's very difficult to find a particular word and replace it. So we can use a feature of MS Word, that is find and replace, to find a word and replace it. Suppose by mistake you have written a wrong spelling of some word like school. Suppose you have written SCHOL and you want to replace it. So instead of searching the whole document, you can use the feature of find and replace to find that particular word and replace it. Next we will do to insert page numbering to each and every page at in the top left corner or at the bottom left corner, bottom right corner, or at the center of the. And how will you save a document in various formats? Means suppose you want to save your Word document in PDF format or in any other format. So how will you do this? So let's start. Suppose this is our Word document. Clear? And here first we want to apply the password. So click on this tab, click on Save As Word document, and write the name of the file. Suppose this is the file name, and click on Tools, then General Options, Password to open. If you want to apply a password, whenever you want to open a file, you write the password. Suppose I had given the password of 4 characters word, then click on OK. Password to open, again is it wants to check. OK. Now click on Save. Suppose I have now closed this document. Now if I want to open this document, it will ask for a password to open. If I had given the wrong password, suppose I had given something else of some other alphabet, some other words, it will not open the Word document. Again I have to try to open this document. Then it will again ask for password. Suppose this time I had given the correct password. Now it will open the document. So clear? This is the way how you can give password to your document. Clear? Next what we have to do? Next is printing the document. Okay. Click on this tab and click on print option. And here, if first before printing the document you want to see the preview of the document, then you will click on print preview. Print preview will show you how your document looks like after printing. So in this preview you can see the margins, you can check the margins, and you can close the print preview and change the margin if you want to do some changes. Clear? Now if you want to make print, click on print. Here you have to select the name of the printer. Suppose this is if you want to print to PDF. Then how many pages? Only current page. it will print only the current page which is displaying on your desktop. If you want to specify some pages, right, first page, third page, then seventh page, then 10th page, you will specify the page number. Or you can specify if you want to print 1 to 10 all pages, then you will write 1 to 10. Or second option, if you want all the pages, you will click on all. And if you want to print only the selected area, means you want to print only the selected portion, then before going to print option, you will select the portion you want to print and then click on print, and now its selection tab is active. Now you click on selection. Selection ho gaya. Then print what document. How will you, number of copies, you will set the number of copies, 1 copy, 2 copy, 5 copies. And then if you want to print it to another file, then you will print it to another file. So these are the general options. Name of the printer, then pages range. It is important, means if you want all pages or a single current page, or you can specify the number of pages or range of pages, or only the selected area. Clear? Now next is how you apply the find and replace. So this is, click on this here. Suppose this is the tab where find, we can editing option, find and replace. Click on find option, find. So find what I say, find network. One word is network. Find in, find next. This is the network. Find next, again network. Find next. Here network is there. Find next. Clear. Now these are the 4 places where we can find the network. It is showing you where is the word network exist. Clear? Suppose you want to replace some word, then you will click on replace. Find what means network, and if you want to replace this network with some other word, suppose you want to replace it with communication. Clear? So if you want to replace all the places where network word exists, you will click on replace all. And if you want some selected area where you want to apply the replace function, then you will one by one do the replace. Replace, third network replace, and if you want, then you will click on close. Clear? So here TCP in network, here it is changes, यहाँ पे change हो गया. Here we ignore the network in pieces of network area hardware. So some places we had changed the network word with the communication word, and in some places we had ignored it. So this is the way how find and replace will work. Next is our inserting page numbering and inserting header and footer. Suppose this is the document, and if you want to apply header and footer, so click on insert tab. This is the name of the tab. Home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, references. These are the name of the tabs. So click on insert tab. This is home tab, home tab. These are the groups. Sometimes it is asked in questions that in exam that what is the name of the tab or name of the group from where you can change the font size. The group name is font and the tab name is home. Clear? Suppose you want to do alignment, it is asked name the tab where you can set the alignment or you can insert bullets and numbering. The tab is home tab and the group is paragraph group. Clear? So this is the name of tab and these are the name of groups: font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. These are different groups. So to inserting headers and footers, we will click on the insert tab and then click on header. If you want to insert the header, click on header. It's taking some time. Similarly, you will give the header here, edit header. You will write whatever you want. You want the name of the chapter, lesson 3, that is basic ICT skills, part 2. Clear? Done. Now, if you want to insert footer, you will click again on insert tab and click on footer, edit footer. You want to give the name of the author. Suppose it is CBSE publication, then you will write CBSE publications. It is in the every page of the document. Now, suppose you want to insert page number, again click on insert and then click on page number. Where you want the page number? At the top of the page, at the bottom of the page. It is displaying you different samples side by side. Then on the margin of the page, or where the cursor is, suppose you want at the bottom of the page, you want the page number. So in what format? Suppose in this format. So, clear? Now, if I see the print preview, so you can see lesson 3 basic ICT skills on the header portion and page number at the bottom, and again on second page header is there, lesson 3 basic ICT skills. Clear? Piyush is asking some question. Voice is cracking, but maybe some problem in your internet connection will be there. So okay, next is how will you save a document in different formats, inserting header and footer and inserting page number. How will you save a document in different formats? To save a document in different formats, suppose now I close this, click on this office menu and then save as. Now click on other formats. Here it is the Word document, Word template. If you want to save the file in earlier version, आपको earlier version के Word format में file को save करना है, then click on this format. And if you want some other format, then click on other format, name of the file, and you can give the type of the format. आपको किस format में इसको save करना है? You can here select the format of your document and then click on save. It's password protected, so we cannot change the format of this document. Clear? So these are the different things which we had done today.